Okay, sixth example. In the sixth example, how many non-terminals are there? First list out them. S, A, B, C and D. Okay, so by default the start symbol follows dollar. Okay, then A follows. Find out the A follows. In how many places A is there? In how many places A is there? Find out. In the first, only one, in a one production capital A is there. So in that production A is following capital B. Okay, now capital B should be replaced with their production. Replace with their production. A is following capital B and that capital B should be replaced with their production. Replace it B and C. Okay, now how many characters are there after replacing the capital B? 2 characters, but very next to character of capital A will become only small b, so that the follows of A, one of the follow of capital A will become a small b. And is there any capital A for in other production? We don't have, so that only one follow is there for the capital A. The next one, find out the follows of capital B. Capital B, in how many places capital B is there? In only one place. Okay, so that there only we need to find out the follows. Now capital B follows the capital C. You replace the capital C with their production. A, B and C should be replaced with their production, that is a small d. So now B is following the small d. Okay, next to capital C. Now we don't have the, what is our production? The production is a S0 A, B, C, and we need to find out the follows for the capital C. But we don't have any follows for the capital C. We don't have any follows for the capital C. Now how to find out the capital C? We know that S is some capital S follows or will become a dollar by default, and you know from the previous videos. Okay, now can you replace A, B, C in place of capital S? If the production is properly derived for the any string, then obviously we can replace S by the ABC. Okay, the dollar is only there. Now just you remember the follows of, if you don't find anything after any non-terminal in any production, their follows are will become follows of their production variable. If any character, if any grammar symbol is in any production, we don't have any character after that, then their follows are will become a follows of their production variable. So here you remember, if any character, it is the least in the production, least nothing but is the last one in the production, then their follows are will become follows of grammar symbol. Here I am writing the point. If any grammar symbol is last place, then their follows will become follows of production variable. This is a rule for not only start symbol. This is a rule for any kind of production. Okay, see here, capital C, their follows are will become a follows of S only. How that follows are will become follows of S? Let us verify now. Here I am verifying. What is our point? If any grammar symbol is the last position in the production, nothing but we don't have any other character after the capital C. If there is a empty space, then their follows of the capital C follows will become a follows of grammar symbol. Oh, for this production, who is become a follows of that production variable? their follows are will become a follows of that production variable. What are the follows of this production variable? Dollar. So dollar also will become a follows of capital C. Capital C follows are will become a dollar. How it is become a dollar? Just as per this example, by default every star symbol will follow the dollar. Okay, fine. Now star symbol is following the dollar. As well, we know that follows of we can able to replace S by ABC. ABC have replaced. Now after you replacing the S by ABC, C also following the dollar. C also follows the dollar. C also following to the dollar. By this way, we no need to remember the each and every this kind of point. Just to analyze that the follows of each follows of the least variable will become their production variable follows. Okay, we will see the other examples also. Just you remember one point: whenever any character is in the least position, then their follows are will become a follows of their production variable. Okay, so this is a one kind of explanation. It is a cross verification. S is following dollar. You replace S by ABC, and after you replacing C also following the dollar. So by default you can take the collection of any production variable follows into the least any production variable follows. So for yes, how many follows are there? Only one follow is there. One follow will comes under the capital C. As well, we need to verify, is there any capital C? Capital C need to be followed. And we need to verify the C in any other places. In case there is a C in another place, let us consider that if C is also there in this production. Let's just consider capital C also there in B production. B production. Now one follow will become a dollar. One follow will become a dollar. Another follow will become a small b. We need to collect all. How many possibilities are there? All should be collect. From this production, C follow will become a dollar. From this production, C follow will become a small b. Okay, but in our example we don't have this production, so just I am telling you that we need to take, in case the production is a capital C followed by BC, then here also we need to take the capital C follows or will become small b also. Okay, now the follows of C will become only $1. Then for what are the follows of D? Here we need to identify what are the follows of D. How many places capital D is there? In only one place capital D is there. What is our rule? In case any grammar symbol is the least position in a production, then follows are will become follows of grammar symbol. What are the follows of grammar symbol capital A? The follows of grammar symbol capital A will become a small b. Small b also will become a follows of D. How it is become a D? We'll again we'll cross verify with the replacement process. So what is actually the production of A? A production is A, S deriving A, B, C. Then A can also replace by the small a, D. Before that, what is the follow of capital A? Capital A is following capital B. So B can be able to replace by the small BC and capital C. And after that A also replace A also, A and D. Okay na? So now B, C and capital C. Now after you replacing A by AD, now D also following small b. It is just cross verifying. Okay. So now by just you remember blindly that in case of any variable, any non-terminal is least in a production, then their follows are will become a follows of their production variable. Okay. Small b will become a follows of this production variable. Okay, these are the follows for the sixth example.